Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to upload pictures on Pinterest. So go for your Pinterest account and now go for this create option here and click on create pin. Okay, then you have to add your title here. So I'm just typing my title. Okay, then you can add your any description or anything you want, and you can also add a link. Then go for your board. So if you don't have any board, then go for create board. So I'll choose this one, and after that you have to choose your photo from your desktop or your computer. So I'm just selecting this one and okay. After that, when you are done, just go for save. Now click on see it more now. Okay, now okay, so it's done. So this is how you can upload pictures on Pinterest. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.